and we'll take one more ride. Doors opening, first floor. Hello guys, it's Kyron from Escalators and Lifts UK. So this is another pedestrian crossing here at Barkingside near Athena's Wings. It's on the high street. From tomorrow on Sunday the 27th, I'll be filming all the lifts in Romford, including Otis Gen 2s, Kino EcoDisc, Kino Monospace, Generic and Monospace, and some parts of Hydraulic. This traffic light will take too long than usual because Barkingside is really busy, so yeah, it's a 4 junction. Oh, turned green around already. This is where Halifax used to be. Oh, ULEZ cameras up there. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. And this is Kyron from Escalators and Lifts UK, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Let's go up to one.